Okay, more long division. Eyes this way. Still waiting. Thank you. Right, let's do Let's do an example. Let's do a simple example. Let's do 28 divided by 4. To do this, I need to know my 4's times tables. So, the first step. How many times does 4 go into 2? Yep.
3 times.
Not quite. Nope. Sean?
0 times.
0 times. So I'll do my 4's times tables. 0 4's is 0. If I go to 1's times 4 is 4, one group of 4 is 4, it's too high for the 2. It doesn't work. So 4 times 0 is 2. And how many left over? Okay. No. I'm at 0 and I need to go up to 2. Yep. There is 2 left over. So I always start with the number that I've finished. 4 times 0 is 0. How many more to get to number 2? I need to go up 2. That's 2 left over. 2 remainder. How many times does 4 go into 28? Well, I need to know my 4's times tables. So I'm going to count it out. 1's 4 is?
4.
2 4's are?
8.
3 4's are?
12.
4 4's are?
16.
5 4's are?
20.
6 4's are?
24.
7 4's are?
28.
7. It goes into it 7 times. Can you please write that down?
7.
I'll give you a moment to finish writing that down. Excellent. I can see some people sitting up nice and straight. They're ready to learn, ready for the next one. The next one, you'll need to know your 5's times tables. So I'm going to do 5. How many times does 5 go into 55? It is easy. I need to know my 5's times tables. So how many times does 5 go into 5?
11.
Robert? Once. Good. Are there any remainders, Robert? No, it goes into it evenly. 1's 5 is 5. 1. How many times does 5 go into the next 5? Zenith?
1.
Once.
That's 11.
So the answer is 11. Fairly simple. Okay, make sure you have that written down. If you want to draw the lines that I'm drawing underneath, you can do that as well. It'll help you understand how this works. We'll do a little bit more of a complicated one now. Let's do how would you say this? How would you say this equation? Ella?
172 divided by 8.
Yeah, this is 172 divided by 8, or I'm sharing it 8 times, evenly. Wonderful, well done, Ella. Okay, so the first thing I do is I need to know which times tables, right?
8.
I need to know my 8 times tables. How many times does 8 go into 1? Zoe? It goes into it 0 times. Are there any remainder? How many? 1. There is 1 left over. How many times does 8 go into 17? Let's do our 8 times tables. 1's 8 is?
8.
2 8's are?
16.
Well, what's 3 8's?
18.
24, that's right. That's too high. So I need to come back down. 8 2's are 16. Tayshan, how many remainder? 8 times 2 is 16, but we need to get to 17. How many remainder? 1. Thank you, Tayshan. Oh, hang on, I've done this wrong. Oh, no, we can do this, right? So 8 goes into 17 twice. How many times does 8 go into 12? Delilah?
It goes in once.
It goes in once. How many remainder? Khalees? 8 times 1 is 8, but we need to get to 12. No, it's alright, it's alright. Yeah, there's 4 remainder. Watch what I do. Can you please copy down what I do? If there's a remainder, and I get to the end, I put a little R. I put R, 4. That means 172 divided by 8 is 21 with a remainder of 4. Yeah, we can do that. Can you please make sure you copy that down exactly? I'll give you a moment.
Do we do the lines that goes to 1?
Yeah, I suggest you do the lines as well because it will help you organise your thinking. Yes?
Real lines is 22.
Have we made a mistake, have we?
Yeah, because when I did it, you said 22 was right.
Hang on. 8 doesn't go into 1, so there's 1 remainder. 8 goes into 17. 16. Oh, okay, so that's not exactly the same. Right. Thank you, Jake. All right. Let's do one more. Please watch the board. Let's have... No, hang on. Okay. Can someone tell me what times tables do we need to know? Khalees. 7. We need to know our 7 times tables. Okay. So, what's the first step? Clear. Wonderful. How many 7s go into 9? Sure? 1. It goes into it once, and what's the remainder? 2. There is a 2 remainder. What some of you are doing is you're not putting the little 2 there. Can you please make sure you put the 2 there? Okay. How many times does 7 go into 28? Well, we need to know our 7s times tables. So let's go out in our 7s times tables. 1 7 is?
7.
2 7s are?
14.
3 7s are?
21.
4 7s are?
28.
So it goes into it 4 times. So, Joel, what's 98 divided by 7? What's 98 divided by 7? 14. Well done. That's how you do long division.